Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. I received a question. Someone asked how to merge PDF documents. Maybe you have 3 or 4 letters. How can you merge 3 of them to be in one PDF? So we're going to go to File Explorer. So open your File Explorer. Then you go to wherever you have the document, maybe downloads or document file. This document, you will see Creative Tool. I want us to rename this document. You will see Creative Tool 1. Right click it to rename it. This is the document here. So right click it, then you select rename. So I want to call this Creative Tool 1A. Then select enter. Then this second one, right click the second document. Right click, then select rename Creative Tool 1B. Select enter. Then the next document, this document, see doc 1. I want to rename it. So select on it, then right click. It will show you cut, rename, select rename. Then we want to call this CTC 1C. Select enter. So we have these 3 documents that we want to merge. You need to go to combine PDF. So go to Google. So type combine PDF. Online PDF combiner. You can also do this with Adobe. You can also do it with I Love My PDF. So select online PDF combiner. You just need to drop the file here. Go back to our File Explorer. So if you go back to File Explorer, so these are documents here. So we want to select this file, drop it, 1, select the second one, drag it, then select the third one, CTC, drag it, and drop. So you can see the first one. And also, if the number are not arranged in order, you can position it. So you can see A is on the center, C is on the left, and CTC 1B is on the right. So I want us to arrange this in order. So you position A, then B. And the next thing to do is just need to select combine. Select combine. Then you go on top. And this is the documents. 3 of those. Close this. Double click it to open. This is the document we combined. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3. So these are ways to combine your PDF. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.